Bella, and welcome to the channel. My name is Mojo Jo, and I am Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. I'm here today with a plan with me in my bullet journal, which is like my creative journal that I use for daily journaling. So I think this is like my first video of 2024, really showing the process. I've been slacking a little bit, but I'm back. Okay. So we're gonna dive right into it. If you're new, I'd like to say welcome to the channel. A little bit about what you can expect here on the Master Plan channel. All things are positive. We are positive polys around here. Okay. Positive vibes, positive body image, anything positive you could think of. That is what I would like to be associated with my channel. In addition, we are styling and profiling, whether that be our lives, our planners, our bodies. We're styling and profiling. And last but not least, you can always expect a good kiki every once in a while from me. And to my OG Team Bella members, I like to say, hey girl, what's up? How are you? I hope everything is good with you, and I hope everything is good for you. All right, so I'm going to jump right in. So I found that with this the journaling plan with me, they typically run a bit longer because you don't really think about it. It's just this creative process, and I go with it. So this will be sped up after this intro, and I typically do a voiceover, then I'll come back at the end and close out because you know I love to say ciao, Bella. So definitely going to do that. So let me show you what I'm using today. So in order to date it, I am using the Dated Sticker Book by Mojo Jo Plans. This is the first one. And I'm also using colorful boxes, the spring boxes, and this is the 2.0. I'm also going to be finding stickers using scallop boxes. This one is still in the shop right now. And then last but not least, I'm going to use this uncensored quotes. I'm not 100% sure if this one is still there. But what I wanted to tell you is that I am on the PR team for Mojo Jo Plans. So down in the comments, if you want to pick up, especially like the scallop boxes, since it's still available, you can use my code MirandaJo10 for 10% off your order. And for the queen of the spread, I will be using this kit from the Crafty Planner Queen, and it's called Nior Blooms Stationery. So this is how it looks, and I did print them and cut them on my silhouette. So we will definitely be using these today. And I also do PR for her shop. If you are interested in the kit, as long as you order $5, you can use my code Miranda15, and that'll give you 15% off your order. And you don't have to have a cutting machine. You literally can print it on sticker paper, and you can fussy cut it, or you can use the gyro cut to cut it out. Now, if you guys are interested in how to print and cut stickers, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do a tutorial on that. Perfect. Let's jump right in. So we jump right into the spread, and I grab the Dated sticker book so that I can lay down the days of the week. So you'll see that I start with Tuesday, and I will explain a little later in the video why I started with Tuesday versus starting with Monday. So I put the day of the week Tuesday through Sunday. And so essentially a page for each day this week. If you are new to bullet journaling, I also like those gold clips that I have. It helps hold your planner flat while you're doing your decorations. And I do not hesitate. I start right in and I go in the kit and I grab, a floral and one of the scallop boxes. I lay that down and I start to really think through how I want my spread to look this week. I grabbed that cute little spiral planner, and it's all decorated. It's so cute. I love the color scheme with the peaches and with the blacks. It's very neutral, but it's still very cute. I put that black floral down next to that snarky quote. It says, "I speak fluent sarcasm, and that totally is me. I do speak sarcasm. Do you speak sarcasm? Let me know in the comments below if you do or not. So this is one of the reasons why I said that I like to speed up my plan with means when I'm journaling, because the process, how I think through, like right now, what you can't see that I'm doing is I'm flipping through a sticker book, trying to match a colorful box, and also messing with that washi tape. It was pretty difficult for me to get it up. I don't know if it's getting old, because I believe that is the first script washi that I had. So I get a colorful box there. I put it in the center of the page for Wednesday and layer a peach box also for Tuesday. And I'm just really just strategically literally throwing stickers on the page that makes the spread cohesive. And y'all know I'm obsessed with the script washi. So anytime I have the opportunity to use it, it's really a thing and it's going to happen. So I lay that black floral, it's not, the vase is black, and I lay that floral arrangement right on top of the washi tape, and I really like how it looks, like how it peeks through there. It's super cute. I layer another scallop box down, and that round sticker, I just cut the side so that it lays flush to that box, and I go to the Tuesday to add just a little bit more of that washi. Now, y'all, look at this doll. This diva is cute. First of all, let's talk about her outfit. The ripped jeans, totally me, the oversized jacket, the afro, and the fabulous glasses. Those glasses remind me of my Prada shades. I absolutely love her. I put another scalloped box there, and I think that's the double scallop box, and just pops of this script washi. And then again, I lay a floral very close to the script washi. And I just like how this page looks. It's just like really simple and basic, but it's saying something, you know. So then we're going to pop to Friday, and I find another sticker in the kit there. It looks like a sticker sheet. Really, honestly, it does. So I go ahead and add that, and I add the pops of the script washi there on the bottom, along with that black floral. And then I just start layering boxes from here. So the regular peach colored boxes, as well as those scallop boxes, more washi tape, of course. And then I put that stack of books right up top, and I love the way that looks. And I'm going to go and move on to Saturday. And with Saturday, I start with that very cute backpack and the sunglasses in the corner. I'm sorry, my phone is going off. Let me turn this off. Okay. And I cluster that with the florals. And on Sunday, I just pop the planner, or two planners, because that's like a bullet journal in the corner and then a spiral planner. I pop that down with another full-size box. Now you'll notice that scallop box that I just put down on Saturday, it's ripped, but it's okay. I grab a piece of script washi and a sticker, and you cannot even tell that we had an issue with that sticker. I love it. So I'm just going in here, layering, seeing where I'm going to put that full-size box, and I kind of put it on the seam. I will come back through later there, and I will actually chop part of it off. So yes, here I'm just layering stickers, and I really wanted to make sure that I used all elements of the sticker kit. So I used every single sticker for my spread for this particular week, and anywhere that I thought there were things missing, I added either a sticker or a little bit more of that script washi. And let me tell you, this washi was showing out. It was sticking to itself, coming out thick. I couldn't rip it. It was just kind of a bit of a hot mess with the washi, but you know, in the end, it still worked out, and I love the way that it looked. Now here, where you see this amazing pause right here, this was me fighting with the washi. It was. So I gave up, and then I grabbed that sticker book again, the uncensored quotes, and I put down, if my mouth doesn't say it, my face will. That is so me. I can hold my tongue and bite my tongue, but my face has not really learned to cooperate. How many of you are like that as well? All right, so I'm flipping back through the sticker book and just putting the last few stickers onto the spread because again, it was my mission and my intent to use every single sticker that was in this kit. All right, and if you're wondering where I got that cute nameplate up top that says Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, I got it from Tori over at Talk. Let me tell you what her Instagram handle is. Her Instagram handle is, and I should have had it out, is Tori Planner. She's at Tall Plans with a Z. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to close out the video now. Okay, so I have finished the spread. So I'm covering this up because I wanted to show you that Monday actually was on another day because I told you at the onset of the video how I kind of just started out kind of really whack with this planner and not doing it as consistently as I intended. So I'm back on track. So that was Monday with last week. So for the remainder of the week, this is what we're looking like. So we have that Tuesday. I speak fluent sarcasm. I love this Noir Bloom kit. It is so cute. The colors are great. I was able to match most things perfectly, and then I changed to that color orange as we go back. So this is how it looked. I used that script washi tape, scallop boxes, and I am excited to write in my creative journal this week. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me in this journal. Next week, I'm going to get a little funky. I'm going to have some Dutch doors and I'm going to do some tip-ins and some different things next week. But this week, I felt like to get back on track, I needed to take it back to basics. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.